Ritkoria rero kiabwatuka chitiketi wichia saba bwatani baye abo bakorigie ebirogo ao ase Obochori Oboke bori Bosio bw'Omotienyi oikomi narimo omwaka oyoiga ase omoyega oyo okorekana ase chiobisi chinene chikiama ekio imio muchi oyoiga o Nairobi ase omoyega oyo nigo oragwa amo nomonyakerogo Cecily Mbarire amo nomorikio monene Hassan Omar.
Asante sana. I'm really happy to be part of this momentous occasion where we've come to hand over provisional certificates to our candidates so that they can go on the ground and start campaigning. On behalf of the party, I want to assure our candidates the following: that we will be with you in the valleys and in the hills. We will be with you in the trenches as you look for those votes, and we will support you all the way. What we are asking you to do from here, if you haven't done it already, go and set up your campaign machinery, and then the rest we shall come and support you so that we make sure you deliver and bring that seat home. Please work hard. Work hard. We have only 3 months, or less than 3 months actually, and it is of utmost importance that we keep the flag of the UDA party flying high. So please promise me, all of you here, because I can see the candidates and their supporters, are you going to bring this seat home? Yes. Are you sure? We are very happy. Go and work hard, but we are asking the following. We know we are the ruling party, but we want you to go and seek for those seats with humility. Musiende kupiga kifua, mukisema sisi ndio serikali tutashinda, mupende musipende, hapana. That is not the style of President William Ruto, who is our party leader. So we want you to look for this vote with humility. Ongeeni na wananchi with humility, itisheni kura with humility, and I'm sure